Would you like to use Facebook Messenger bots to grow your business? Then this introductory course will show you how to understand how you can use messenger bots in different ways. It doesn't teach you everything step by step. That's more in my advanced course, but it shows you the reasons why you should think about using messenger bots and getting in your mind the ideas that you could use. For example, a challenge campaign. The next video that you're going to see will be me walking through I think it's about a 10-minute or so video showing you one of my clients and how I made the decisions to include what messages when, why to add videos, why to add images, why to add follow-up messages. Because if you know your plan, if you know your strategy with Facebook Messenger bots, which this particular course is about, then you will be able to effectively either outsource the messenger bot work from someone else or use my other course to show you step by step how to do it. So this is for you if you're just looking, dipping your toe in the water, trying to understand Facebook Messenger bots. I recommend it. It's like building a house, building the foundations. If you know what you want in advance, using the technology, which is what my other course teaches, will prepare you, and you'll be so much ahead of other people because you're not just going in there and tinkering with the software. You're actually knowing what is my strategy, what is my goal, and that is the real power. So check out the case study. I think there's another case study in there as well that you'll really enjoy and benefit from this. I'm going to constantly be adding new case studies into this course as well. And if you want to learn the technology side of it, just check out my name, my bio here, and you'll see the other course, which has got 4.8 out of 5 reviews. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes slightly lower, because the people that really benefit from that course have gone through this course first. Because if you know the foundations, then doing Facebook Messenger bots will make a big difference to you. Really powerful thing to take advantage of. So I look forward to seeing you in the course.